Hey, welcome back to another edition of Rodz and Hobz. This is the machine shop edition. So today, we're going to dress up our car a little bit. Show you how to install a shifter knob. Now, I'm kind of a little bit on the left side here. I like to do something a little bit more extreme than the usual, you know, your shifter ball knobs, different companies out there. So, this one comes from 6 Speed, S-I-C-K Speed, a company out of Japan. And I kind of saw this online, and so I thought I'd pick it up. Now, the thing with this one actually belongs to like a 5-speed, 6-speed. So your shifter knob, your shaft is a little bit different than a manual. So I had to tweak around with it a little bit. And yeah, if you got some basic knowledge of machine shop, you know, on lathes, drill presses, or get one of your buddies to come give you a hand. And what I basically did is made a little attachment that this screws onto, as so, and this slides onto the shaft for your shifter. So we'll show you how to take the one off the Challenger out, and we'll put this one in. Alright, let's try it. Okay, so there's lots of tutorials online on how to get this removed. You can easily go on YouTube, and there's different people have different ways of doing it. Basically, you just don't want to scratch your car, and all you're doing really is prying that down. So there, once that's down, that's it. The rest of it comes off. So you got a couple flats up on top, and keep all this stuff together. Never throw away your pieces, because sometimes you want to put back the original. So find your angle it went into, pops it back in, put it in a plastic bag, set it, and forget it. Okay, next step, the piece that I made, the piece de resistance. Now, I kind of like having everything away from you. I really don't want to see the set screws and stuff, so back that one out. Back the other one out. You can always just do kind of a pre-fit, so you make sure you know where you want this piece to go. Sometimes it's not as easy as it looks. But nonetheless, put it on first this way. Kind of know where I want to go with it. Tighten the top set screw in. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. And you're good to go. Easy pleasy. So, and there you have your shifter done in. Make sure it's nice and snug. Do check it back and forth every couple times when you've driven it for the first couple days. And yeah, there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Super simple. Hey, welcome back to another edition of Rodz and Hobz. This is Steve Machine. How you guys doing today? It's another edition of Rodz Shop edition. So, hope you guys doing great. All you out there. Yeah. Got the 23, 23. Especially the newer ones, right? You want to try and find something cool to do something cool. That is cool. That is too cool for cool. That's not cool. Take 147.